Hello all. I have to blaze through this screener because I have a lot to cover here, and I'll be pausing while I publish stuff and move things to the server. Basically, this screener is the instructions for how to use our solution for a plain HTML version of your Articulate course. So this will produce a version that has a lot less bandwidth requirements, and it could possibly help you too with your 508 or ADA compliance type stuff. So let's start by looking at, you're going to go to the site, and we have an executable that you can download, and so you run the executable, install, and that's it. So now you can publish your courses just like normal. I'm going to jump over here to my PowerPoint. So you just go through your regular publish. I already published this one earlier. I have it in a folder here. It's just your standard Articulate stuff. And so now let's say that I wanted to add the option for somebody to view this on a lower bandwidth. So what I need to do is, first off, I'm going to need some images of each of these slides. So we're going to come here and save our PowerPoint as slides. It's a little weird the way PowerPoint does this, so I'm going to say that I want the PNG format. And it's going to say that it's going to save it as slides.png, but really it creates a folder for all the slides. So here I want to do every slide, and it's done. So now when I go back and look, so like I said, it's created a folder for all the slides, and there we go. So now all I need to do, and this is where magic starts happening, is drop that into my course. So now in my course I have my player, I have all the stuff that was there before. I added a folder called slides. So I'm going to upload that to the server. I'll be right back. Okay, so this was my course just published normally. Now I've added that folder slides, so when I hit the refresh, our code will actually look for that folder and offer an HTML version to your end user. So when I punch that button, I now have this course in HTML with text that you can grab, copy, paste. If somebody accidentally hit the button, maybe they're just curious and they want to jump back, they can have a button here, jump back over to the Flash version. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Now we have pictures. But some folks may want pictures and sound. So let's jump over to our course again. And this time we're going to use the Articulate audio editor. And we're going to, you notice that there is no sound on slide 2. So we're going to export MP3s from Articulate. And I have a folder called audio where I will drop all those. So it goes through and we're done. So I'm going to jump back over. So now I have my audio here. It spit out MP3s, one for every slide except for the ones that didn't have sound on them. To make things better for other browsers, you're going to want to create an OGG version of this. For that, I just use Audacity. And so basically I just need to drop all these into Audacity, come over here and export multiple, and I'm going to export them as an OGG file into the same folder. And so, boom, there we go. I can close all that. And when I come back, now I have all these. Sorry, I'm going so fast. So now all I do is I drop the audio file into my published course. So now I have audio and slides, and I'll stick it on the server. Now, you might be wondering why I keep sticking it on the web server. It's because this technology is going to work on the web server. It's not going to work off your local drive. So now that that's on the server, I'm going to hit refresh, and we have our HTML button. I click that, and I have this little player now in my page. On every page that has audio, there's a player. Now this is using HTML5, and so you might be worried, oh no, what if they don't have HTML5? Internet Explorer does not have it, and it just puts in a little bar. And this will report back to the